From the outside of their modest building in Airdrie, Alberta, Universal Weld Overlays looks like all the other shops on the avenue. However, it's what's happening behind the front office that makes them unique. Universal Weld Overlays is a specialty welding and oilfield service company with a difference. With over 10 years' experience generating solutions to complex problems, the team at Universal Weld Overlays takes great pride in what they can do. This shop in Airdrie produces some of the finest corrosive-resistive technology in the world. From simple welding tasks to complex multi-alloy weld overlays, their experience is reflected in the quality of their workmanship. The word quality is not just for marketing brochures and salespeople. The hands-on approach to making sure the customer is satisfied is what makes them unique. Quite often you'll find Bob and Pete Gannett in the shop getting their hands dirty. For them, it's not enough to sit behind a desk and watch the team in action. They're part of the process, being brought in for complex situations where their experience makes all the difference. Solving problems and providing their clients with solutions is what drives them. It's this dedication to innovation and quality for an industry in which downtime can mean thousands of dollars in lost revenue that's brought Universal Weld Overlays' reputation to the top of their field.
We are in the business of providing to our clients a cost-effective product as a solution to severe corrosion and erosion problems encountered in the processing and refining of gas and hydrocarbon products.
With their in-house expertise, Universal Weld Overlays can solve the majority of corrosion and erosion problems that plague the oil and gas industry, as well as numerous other manufacturing ventures. Foremost is the corrosion and erosion of vessels and spools from product refining and movement. Metal unit corrosion can cost millions if not addressed in a timely manner. In an industry where downtime can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars a day, reassurance is crucial. Through innovative use of globally accepted standard weld overlay solutions, combined with proprietary technologies, Universal Weld Overlays can delay the effect of corrosion and erosion on critical components in the delivery chain.
Well, time and time again, we've proven to our customers that we deliver what we say we deliver. We're always on time, we're always on budget, and they get the product that they expect, which is a high-quality product at a cost-effective rate.
By welding an alloy inner surface to existing metal units, refining and manufacturing companies are able to save money and reduce downtime significantly compared to having custom sections of solid alloy built. Through an understanding of existing conditions within a geographic area, preemptive corrosion resistance, like welding a chromium nickel coating on the inside of a pipe in a highly sulfurous environment, can nearly eliminate the corrosive effects and substantially reduce the amount of maintenance needed. The cost differential between a weld-overlaid carbon steel unit and one without weld overlays are realized within just months. The innovative technologies at Universal Weld Overlays are highly sought after within the refining and oilfield industry. The techniques developed by Bob and Pete have brought them recognition among their peers as knowledgeable, dependable, and demonstrating a "we can do that" attitude.
The premise of the weld overlay is to protect substrate materials that would otherwise corrode or erode at a very high rate. We can offer custom products that will meet the challenges that the refiners face. Whether it's a corrosion or erosion problem, we can custom fit the overlay to meet those challenges.
Cost is one of the major factors when implementing Universal Weld Overlay service. The process of weld overlays can reduce the cost of a unit substantially while improving protection from corrosive elements. The short turnaround time of weld overlays makes it acceptable to remove a unit, ship it to the UWO shop, have it weld overlaid and returned within a minimal time. Weld overlaying a unit within a plant maintenance window is business as usual at UWO. UWO can deliver anywhere in the world, with access to an international airport, transcontinental rail lines, and being located on the Can-Am Highway, now known as the Queen Elizabeth II Highway in Alberta. Getting product to and from the shop is never an issue. Their years of business expertise allow the folks at UWO to know how to avoid pitfalls through an understanding of what it takes to complete a job.
Our products has been installed in refineries and gas plants all around the world. From the tar sands of Alberta, in the refineries in Canada and the United States, platforms in the Gulf of Mexico, Grand Banks in North Sea, in Europe, Middle East, from Pacific Rim to South America.
No job is too large for their shop to take on, with Universal Weld Overlay products finding their way into projects like Syncrude and Suncor in the Alberta oil sands, or Shell Oil, Petro-Canada, Flint Hills Resources, Imperial Oil, Conoco, Phillips, along with Kuwait Oil and the largest oil platform in the world, BP's Thunder Horse. Universal Weld Overlays also work with all major engineering firms like Bechtel, Jacobs, SNC Lavalin, Colt Engineering, Fluor, and Mustang. Whenever there's a need for corrosion and erosion-resistant products to be delivered in a tight time frame, Universal Weld Overlays stands head and shoulders above its competition.
Because we have the benefit of dealing with many refiners and many gas plants, we get to know where the engineers are using these products and in what situations. Therefore, we have the benefit of offering that knowledge to our other clients without divulging any proprietary information, that this product has been used successfully in this environment. So it's almost like an ongoing research base that we have that we can offer all of our clients.
In a highly competitive marketplace, one must rely on industry standards to guarantee success of a project. Universal Weld Overlays believes that strict adherence to universally accepted industry standards is the backbone of their business. Universal Weld Overlays is certified to ASME Section 8 Division 1 and Division 2. When you take delivery of a unit from Universal Weld Overlay, you can be assured they've measured and tested every square centimeter. Every step of the process is documented and filed for future reference. The team at UWO takes pride in their ability to turn out world-class product. In their years of operation, they have never had a unit fail in the field. It's a record they're proud of, and a record a customer can trust. With Universal Weld Overlay's capability of handling units as large as 4 meters, that's 12 feet in diameter, it's ideally located in Airdrie, Alberta. That's just 20 minutes from Calgary. And through this location, Universal Weld Overlay has direct access to Calgary's International Airport, as well as the Canadian Pacific Rail main line. Local or short-range shipping can be arranged through a varied selection of cartage companies. You can contact us at Universal Weld Overlays during our regular business hours from 8 till 5, Monday through Friday, Mountain Standard Time, or visit us on our website at www.universalweld.com.